Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the refresh rate on any Poco phone. Now, first of all, make sure that your device supports the change refresh rate feature. Now, if your device supports the change refresh rate feature, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now from here, scroll down and tap on refresh rate. Now from here, you can either choose default, which will adjust the refresh rate dynamically up to 120 Hz based on the scenarios to balance performance and power consumption. Or you can choose custom, and from custom, you can enable 120 Hz and it will change the refresh rate from 60 Hz to 120 Hz. And this is how you can change the refresh rate on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.